Now today I am reviewing the Patrick Ta Major Headlines Blush Palette, which he actually released single versions of this palette. Now it's my first time trying it. They're all exactly the same shades. I will go over the details with you. So sit back, relax, and let's just get started. So this is the Major Headlines Blush Palette, which has the 3 shades in it. You have She's Baked, She's Vibrant, She's a Doll. He did release another one that isn't included in this palette, and it's She's Blushing. I will insert a picture for you so you can see what it looks like. But the 3 others are already included in this palette, so that's what I'm going to review. So I already prepped my face. I have my foundation, you know, all the good stuff. I just don't have a bronzer and obviously a blush. So I want to try everything on my face, the cream version and also the powder version, which is pretty cool. And then I have the brushes that I'm going to use to apply these blushes. I'm just going to clean them with my Makeup Forever Instant Brush Cleanser and we're good to go. So I'm just going to start on the right side of my face. Starting with the powder version of She's a Doll, I'm going to use my brush and then just, let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, very pigmented. It is showing on my skin, so I'm happy about that. This shade is pretty. I'm going to take a little bit more and then see. Really nice shade. I want to see if I can just get a little bit more out of it. Yes. Super nice. Okay, love it so far. Going to try the cream of She's a Doll. Just going to take a little bit of that. It's kind of hard to take some. Okay. Oh, I prefer the cream. The cream is like beautiful. Oh, the cream is just everything. Okay, take a little bit more. Wow. Yeah. What do you guys think? Which one do you prefer, the cream or the powder? I think the cream is so much better. I like it. It's giving me like a nice glow without the shimmer. It's just very hydrated and I really like that. Pretty good, and it didn't lift my foundation or the powder that I put first. So far so good. The cream is a lot more pigmented than the powder, I find. This is a lot more pigmented and I think that's why it's showing up a lot more on my skin. Loving it so far. Okay, so time to try the next one, which is She's Vibrant. Again, I'm starting with the powder. This is described as a vibrant pink, but it's showing up a little bit coral, I would say. Let's see. Oh, this one is beautiful. So far, they're all beautiful. Oh, wow. Very pigmented. Wow. This shade is really nice. I definitely put too much, but let's see if I can tone it down. So this one is a lot more pigmented than the powdered version of She's a Doll, I think. And it's showing, I know it's described as a vibrant pink, but it's showing a little bit more coral on my skin. So, which I like. Beautiful. Like a little bit goes a long way for this. So, super nice. Okay, let me try the cream version now. Oh wow, okay. Yeah. Okay, I should have known this because the cream version of She's a Doll was very vibrant, and then this, you just need to be careful because this is a lot, but it is beautiful. Yeah. She is bright. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Super pretty. I mean, look at this. Beautiful. I love this one. So as you can tell, I already removed the other blushes, so now I'm going to try She's Baked. And this is what she looks like. So I'm going to try the powder first. Tap off the excess. Let's try it. Okay, that one's giving me like a nice terracotta. Like it so far. This one is described as a beige. It's definitely not a beige for me. Okay, again. Really like this one too. Oh, this one is beautiful. I love this one. Go and take a little bit more. Really like it. I think this one is probably the nicest on my skin. It's just very subtle. It just complements my skin really well. Really like this one. Okay. So I think I'm going to keep this one on my face, but I want to try the cream version on my other cheek. Oh yeah, the cream. Let's take a little bit more. I was worried it was going to be too much, so I took a little bit less, but let me add more. Oh, that's a lot. Oh my god, this shade is beautiful. I'm just going to remove some. Okay, let's go again. Seriously, I would be okay with just the cream versions. Like the powdered versions are nice, but the cream, oh. I mean, it's great to have both, but I think the cream versions are just the best. Look at this. Come on, tell me this isn't beautiful. Do you see what I mean? Like, this is nice, but this is better. Yeah, the cream version is much more better. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more of the cream and then put it on top of the powder just to see. Oh yeah. Beautiful. I mean, the combination is great, but seriously, the cream version alone is amazing. I want to see what the powder looks like on top of the cream. Beautiful as well. So my final thoughts for these shades, I think they are all three beautiful and they looked really great on my skin. Very easy to apply. Now I like that you get the cream version and then you also get a powdered version. They're not exactly the same shade, but very similar, and they both apply really well. Now I am biased because I prefer the cream versions. I find the cream more pigmented than the powder, and it also looks better on my skin, but that's just my preference. So the cool thing is they both work well together. It didn't lift my base, which is amazing, and I tried applying the cream version first and then applying the powder, and then the vice versa, and it worked really well. So if you're considering getting these shades, definitely go for it. Unfortunately, the palette is discontinued. I checked on the Sephora website and also on Patrick Ta's website. Couldn't find it anywhere, but if you do want one shade or two or three or four, you can still get it on both websites. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you're considering getting any of these shades or which one is your favorite. Let me know down below. If you haven't done it already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.